Hi everyone, today I want to show you my project Commerce for CS50 web course. And the first two requirements are models and Django administration interface. So I'm logged in as administrator. You can see here the different models that I have created for this application. We have user, listings, comments, and bits. For listings, I have these fields: user, title, initial price, photo URL, description, category, watcher is active. For comments, I have user, listing, and comment. For bits, I don't have a bit right now, but the fields are bit, user, and listing. Let's go. I can access all my models by the Django interface, administration interface. Let's go to the next requirement, that is create a listing. So here I have created some listing, but let's add a new one. So the title, it's gonna be a ruler, it's gonna cost $15. I don't have a photo. And a description, this is a ruler. And I can add a category or not. Let's add a category, let's say for school. The listing has been created. We see the information here. Let's go to the next requirement, that is the active listing page. So in the active listing page, we see the listings that we have created. For each listing, we see a photo if there is one to show, the starting price, the current price, the description, the date when it was created, and the user who creates the listing. The next requirement is the listing page. So let's enter to this listing. The first one is the add to watch list. I have this button here that allows me to add or remove to watch list each listing. The next one is the current bid. So this is the initial price, but I can bid, let's say 100. The current bid changes to the highest one. And if I enter a lower bid than the current bid, error message is shown. The next one are the comments. So I see the comments here. The listing has a comment. I can add a new comment. This is the second comment and post comment. And yeah, we see here that the comment was added. Third one, test. And we see here that we have the comments here. The member who created the listing has the option to close the listing. So I'm logging as administrator, and I am able to close this listing. And yeah, and let's try to bid for one that is not mine. Yeah, so this listing was created by another user. So I don't have the option to close the bid, to close the listing. Let's bid, or I place the bid. That's it. And let's log out and log in as the other user. And let's go to the listing so I can close the listing. I see here that the listing is closed now. And for example, I don't have the option to close this list because I'm now the owner. Let's log out and log in with the other user. And if I go to the closed listing, because I was the user who bid the highest, I get the message, congratulations, you won the bid. The next requirement are the watch list. So if I go to this and add to the watch list, I see that I have added that. Ruler, for example, I want to add it, a watch list, it has been added. And if I want to remove, then remove from watch list. And let's go remove the ruler, remove from watch list, and everything has been moved. And finally, the categories. All the listings are grouped by categories here. So I can enter electronics and see which listings are on electronics, on food, and on school. We have two listings. And that's it. Thank you very much.